Let's talk about the future of the housing market in 2022. The housing market in 2022 will be drastically different from what it is today. For example, there will be an increase in inflation rates and prices as well as more people moving to urban areas. How to prepare for rising interest rates with a home investment. Interest rates are on the rise in 2022, and it is important to prepare for this change in the economy. One way to do this is by investing in a home. The home investment can provide a safe haven for your money as well as provide you with a return on your investment. The following are some tips for making sure you are prepared for what comes next. 1. Make sure you have an emergency fund set up. This should be enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses if something were to happen, such as losing a job or an unexpected medical issue occurring. 2. Make sure that you have enough money saved up to cover bills and other expenses during the time between when interest rates rise and when they go back down again, which could be anywhere from 6 months to 2 years, depending on the current economic situation. 3. Make sure that you have a good investment plan set up. This should include things like your 401k, IRA, and other types of investments in addition to your emergency fund. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe.